All right, we are actually on item number 11 here, but from our video we are more than 11. There's some other things comes up around along the way. So that video will form the new consent line. Definitely. Right? So I always like getting all the registration done before we move into the transaction, because some of those registration, if they are not done properly well, the transaction might be diverting some during the transaction. And once our mind is already put into the transaction, you just want to flow with that rhythm. So I think I guess we still have some other things to do in record and registration, like creating our sales stars. We have not done that. That's another extra stuff, right? Then inventory. Do you have it here? Yes. We've not created any of our products. We've created the chart of account for the products, but we've not created the product portfolio itself. Okay, where we manage how many we have, how much is it being sold, how much are we selling it, the unit cost, all those things. We don't actually have it. So I think from 11 here, I'll quickly jump to 21 to finish up the sales stars. You can see the sales stars aspect on the customer. We left it the other time. Then after that, we move on to payroll. Sorry, inventory, and every other thing are just transaction. Okay. All right, so let's take care of sales staff right now. Sales staff, remember, if especially this is most important, especially if you are working in maybe manufacturing organization and some other things that you pay that you are working with VAT, which is still 5% in this country up to now. So there's a lot of people that will try to let it be 10%, but still yet they are unable to. They take it to 10% and revert it under 2 weeks during Obasanjo's administrators, Obasanjo the 10 of them. Okay, that's when we started buying MTN card 100 naira to 110. So let's do that sister for our service, because we are paying it. So customers are also paying for that. That's why when you go to Oichus, you just see 5%. You are paying, but you don't know, right? So they are charging. So you go to sales stars directly from maintain menu, right? You set it up. So this will also call for the body that is responsible for collecting tax. Can be your federal revenue and other stuff. Okay, that you are remitting the tax to sales tax this time around, right? The VAT.
Where would you use kind of schedule?
Yes. So here now, what you need to do is to set the percentage, so that as the customer are buying on the customer invoice, the VAT will be there. Yes, and the system will automatically charge 5% on whatever they buy. Right? That's what we are trying to do here. Okay? So if somebody buys something of 20,000, system will automatically add 5% to it as a VAT. Right? So here now, just go ahead and say that this will also give room for something. Then what is the total rate that will be charged? So just give your 5% here. How many individual rates constitute this? So if it's only FRS you are paying to put it. Right? If it is 2, it is 3, right? So let's just make a simple entry for this right now. And then next. So what's the name of the agency that is collecting this? So you need to create a sales stars ID, right? That is FRS. That's what I'm using as a case study. We are still using a single rate. Then what is the account, right? That is tracking this. Do you get it? So if you have a sales stars account, okay, that's tracking. So just click here now. I guess we have an account the other time for stars. Do you have that the other time? Okay, we don't have it. So let me create fact payable, right? That's S. So if you don't have anyone, you can create it at front of the transaction, right? So VAT. In US they call it sales tax. Here we call it VAT. Okay? So when I might be missing the two words together. So definitely that is payable. So and your payable is under what? Other current liability. Where is it? Okay. Save and new. So you ask me now which account is tracking this guy. So we can quickly select that now. S0 0 I think 40, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then here, it says tax agency name, right? Then here it's now say which vendor do you sell it to. So we need to create federal annual revenue as a vendor. So because we have not done that before, then tax ID. So this one just generates it automatically before we set it. But if there's different stuff as a number, so we can also put it our tax ID, right? Can be whatever. I don't know the way their number is, but you can just put it, right? Then here we select them. So this is not our tax authority, so we can quickly come back there to open the vendor automatically. You get it, to create federal inland revenue services. Then we have them there. Then what's the essence of this? The essence of this is that, then where is this going to? S0040. The essence of this is that you should be able to know, you used to have tax officer. Yes, someone that you can contact. They also call you. This one is just to have a general information about them. Maybe tax officer, maybe Mr. Wale at FRS office, right? Maybe the tax, maybe if you remit to the bank, the account number, should the case somebody wants to go and pay, like you don't remember the account number again, so you can also have it here so that somebody can come to the account manager and ask, which bank are they using? What's the account? Do you understand? That's the essence of keeping it. The address, maybe First Avenue. There's one at First Avenue here, right? First Avenue. First tax. So where is the office again? Maybe the person that used to go to the tax office is no more in your office, but can also get the information. That's the essence of all this record. That okay, this is the person that has been doing it. Where Amuwo, where Lagos. This is the nearest office of these people to here right now. Then Nigeria. This is just to fill this in. Their office line. If you want to call anybody, their website, their email, there's anything. That's all just what you need here. Information, then close. Then we can select it now. Okay? So it's different from every other supplier. They are not supplier, but they are vendor that you are paying for. Right? So select it. I say next. So it takes tax ID. Then if you are in clearing and forward the shipping company, because there's also freight expenses. So if you are doing that, so if you also have that, if you are in shipping line, which they usually charge this, you select this, yes. So anytime you are making transaction, your transaction will deal with shipping stuff, right? As you are charging VAT, the VAT will be there, the freight expenses will also be there. So that's when you say yes. But if you are not in any of such industries, you can say no. So you are done like this. Can you see you have successfully entered the sales start information? That it just do what? You say what? To save. Enter an ID. Okay. FRS. Then you do what? Finish. So now you can view the one you had before. You can edit the existing one. You can delete. You can also close user. Can you see view next? Definitely you have one, right? Edit next. The one you want to edit, right? Delete. I don't want to. Close. I'm done. I want to close, right? So like now, so if you charge all these things as an organization, this is compulsory in manufacturing company. They will charge all this stuff. And even some metrics if they use this application. But it's the way you set up all different organizations are different. So when you click in now, so it simply means when the customer is there like this, you need to select 6 stars. We skip this the other time. If I do this one from this point as well, can you imagine things that are just imagine that at this point I now begin to jump all around to do all this stuff. To do like, do you understand? So in the course of the training, we try to get the easy way out to let students understand all this. So select now. It simply means anytime this guy just see wolf out, is buying something from us, the system automatically calculates 5% tax because we've added it to this person. Now, anybody that is not added to, the system will not charge it. But at the cost of transaction, if you find out that the system is not charging, there's a way you can also click it and it will come. Right? So that's all this now. Close this. So this is how simple to set up a sales tax. Any question? Any question? Thank you for listening.